Oh, hi. I have developed three utilities, Python utilities for the Fairfax. Fairfax is the media and news leading in Australia and in the region, and they want to use those utilities to monitor the election in Australia, but also they want to monitor the hot topics across the world. Um, These utilities were created using the Python, and how it works, we just like designed scripts which they go and they connect to the Twitters, to the API, to the REST API. I'm not using the search API. I'm using the REST API, and of course the Twitters doesn't like provide historical data. So what I had to do, I had to use this cron tab utility, which runs every 2 minutes. In other words, every 2 minutes, this cron tab utility execute the script, the Python script. So it gets the data in JSON format, and it just adds the data to the CSV. So you can see the CSV is just growing for the time being. Um, Now I have created three utilities. One called the most popular Twitter hot topics over time. And what this one does, it just gives you the hot topics in each city. And the second one, it shows the data. And the third one, we just use the map, Google Map, with the cities, and hopefully when we bring the mouse over cities, then we can see the hot topics. So um, I'm using also the D3 JavaScript for the visualization. And as we see here, let's go for the first utility. It's loading the data. It may take few seconds to get the data ready. And here we are. This is for the Sydney city, and it looks like the hot topics now. It's Auspol. Auspol is Australian poll, and this is the name of the Prime Minister. And this is maybe the most frequent words, the the most frequent words um, plotted in the cloud plotting. I'm using here the D3 JavaScript word cloud. I could also use the R cloud as I used it for the news in other projects like the news clustering. You can also choose other cities, maybe Spain, and as you see here, Spain hot topics. This is in Spanish, so you can also maybe go and choose other cities. Okay, now we go back to the second utility, and we go to this trend across the world. And this one, it will display, it displays the data for you for each city. And this is the hot topics. We not displaying everything, but we display a few of the hot topics. And this data actually maybe could be useful for someone else. Maybe because I used it, I just visualize it. I just extract the most frequent words. Someone else maybe use it for other purpose. And the last utility, it displays the map of the world, and with the cities we are requesting, and what it does, I'm using the Google Map uh, and also the Yahoo to get this longitude uh, and latitude, to make sure that the cities are in the right position. As you see here, it's a bit slow for this one here. It's maybe refresh it again. Here we are, and this is the map. And when we bring the mouse over the cities, it shows the hot topics. But I'm just displaying maybe the first of the five frequent words, the most frequent ones. And you can also use it for other cities. You can go, for example, to Europe. You can go to Africa. Every time you go to cities or country, then you can see the hot topics for each one.